A group of idiots could not believe how packed the theater was.
Told you we should have left earlier, Sean.
No one got that stupid cinema trivia question wrong. An entitled bitch stretched your belongings across 6 seats for friends who still haven't shown up. The annoying people behind you are being really loud, and even though technically that's allowed, you're really starting to worry they'll keep it up once the movie starts. You wondered whether you should go pee now, or if you should hold it. Ha, you'll just hold it. Besides, what's the... Oh my god, that fat guy went and got nachos now? And who gets a large soda? It's like a goddamn football. You don't even know why you go to the movies anymore. You could just download this online in a week. Now, enjoy the movie. If you can.
I need something to smoke.